Hello students, there are 8 parts of speech in English language. First is noun. Second is pronoun. Third is adjective. Fourth is verb. Fifth is adverb. Sixth is preposition. Seventh is interjection. And last is conjunction. These are 8 parts of speech. Dear students, today we are going to learn about verb. What is meant by verb? Verb means action word or doing word. Like jumping, eating, cooking, running, crying. Anything you do is called verbs. So let's see the definition of verb. Words which shows action are called verb. Let's see the definition one more time. Words which shows action are called verb. So let's see the examples. Ram jumps. Monu dances. Sheeps graze. Prashant eats. Sun shines. Gauri runs. Look at the examples. In the first example, what is Ram doing? Ram is jumping. Means jumps is a verb. In the second example, Monu dances. What is Monu doing? Monu is doing dance. So dances is a verb. In the third example, graze is a verb. Now next is Prashant eats. What is the Prashant doing? Prashant eats eating. So eats is a verb. Sun shine. In this example, shines is a verb. The last example is Gauri runs. What is Gauri doing? Gauri is running. So runs is a verb. Jumps, dances, graze, eats, shines and runs. These words show the actions. Means these words are called verbs. So let's see the more examples. First is Naga Arjun is swimming in the pool. Second is birds are flying in the sky. Third is Arya is reading a story book. Next is Radha Radha is walking in the garden. Next is the children are playing in the park. So look at the first sentence. Naga Arjun is swimming in the pool. What is Naga Arjun doing? Naga Arjun is swimming. So swimming is a verb. Second example, birds are flying in the sky. What the birds are doing? Birds are flying. So flying is a verb. Look at the third sentence. Arya is reading a story books. What is Arya doing? Arya really is reading a story book. So reading is a verb. Look at the fourth sentence. Radha is walking in the garden. What is the Radha doing? Radha is walking in the garden. So walking is a verb. Last sentence. The children are playing in the park. What the children are doing? Children are playing in the park. So playing is a verb. Look at the words which I underlined: swimming, flying, reading, walking, playing. These words are action words or doing words. It means these words are verbs.